Al Emarat Park in Abu Dhabi. Things it's got. Lots of activities for the kids. Nice landscaping going on here. Water fountains. Nice place to families to come out, enjoy the slightly cooler climate in the shade of these beautiful palm trees. This is where they have the farm. Little barn here with some animals, and there is the pony, and you can ride this pony. Don't know what kind of small animals they got here. Oh, it's a little turtle, look at that! Ooh, and there's a big turtle on this side. That's a huge turtle. This is a daddy turtle, look at this thing. Wow. Yeah, big birds. It looks quite scary. Look at this thing. Oh, I think he's hungry. I'm just looking at you. That's a pony now. These are nice lambs.
I'm feeding Ronaldo.
Or goats, I mean.
Feeding Ronaldo. Yeah, because Ronaldo's the goat. Here you go.
Oh, pygmy goats.
Where do we go?
Let's go from this side. Come on. Yes, mate.
We're going up, but we're with us and then
And go up this structure here. There's a lift. Hope you can get the lift to go to the top and get a view. Unfortunately, the lift is not working, so I'm not prepared to walk up the steps. This is what they call the shade house. A mini forest. Let's get back.